Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a image editor that I developed which is similar to Canva, which directly works in the browser. It is built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can see the user interface. I have deployed this tool on my website freemediatools.com. You can check this live, and here the interface is quite simple. You basically choose whatever image file that you want to edit and the image will display, and then we have quite a number of filters available to us, controls. We can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation. So using these sliders, if you see, so we have this blur effect as well. If you want to blur your image, you can do that. Opacity, you can even control the opacity. Then we have the grayscale filter. This one, we have all these advanced filters available. So once you are done, you can save this image either to a image or PDF. So we have two buttons out there, image or PDF. So export this as an image file. So after you make the modifications, you can save your image file. So then the nice thing about this editor, guys, you can even load image from a URL. So if you are having a image which is deployed live, you just need a simple URL for this. So let's suppose I take this example, right click, copy image address, and you can use this tool, directly paste this. You can see the image will come right here. This is from a different website. We put the URL right here and load from URL. This is the second option you can do, and again you can do flipping as well. So there is this option also available. You can draw on a image as well. You can see these all are the controls available. So then you can save this image. If this button is not working, if you're loading the image from a different domain, you can right click, save this image. This will be very much easy, and I think it works with almost all the websites. It also works with Facebook as well. So let's suppose you are taking any kind of image, you just right click on the post, copy image address, and you again plug the, if you are coming from Facebook, just load from URL. You can see that it will load this image. You just need to go to the URL, so you right click, copy image address, and you come to this URL. So you can see that it is that easy. You can see that. So you can even save this as a PDF file as well. So click on PDF. So click on PDF, we'll see that PDF file will get downloaded. So this is you can try this tool, guys, if you are interested. The link is given in the description. Once you purchase the source code from my website procodestore.com, you will actually get a zip file and you can directly run this. It will extract it and this will contain your HTML, CSS and JavaScript file right here, and you just need to open this file and run this locally. You can see now I'm running it locally. So it works in the browser, no server-side code is involved. It's very easy to deploy as well because it's a static single page application which runs in the browser, and once you get the source code, you can actually modify this application, add more functionalities to it. You will get full commercial right. So it's coded inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, if you see. So this is HTML, this is your JavaScript code here. This is your CSS. So it's entirely built inside. It's a static tool. You can easily deploy this as well to shared hosting. You can see you can do all the modifications that you want to do. can flip horizontally, vertically, you can draw as well. And then after that you can save this image, click on save. So this is actually the application, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description, you can directly purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.